It's SICKDOE and crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's SICKDOE and crypto. Don't flip, yo. Talks about nigga SICKDOE and crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making SICKDOE and crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto. Crypto, no more. If you don't understand that emotion, we'll take you to another place. You gotta go chase the bread candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street.
I don't know. It's SICKDOE in crypto. Don't flip, yo. Wall Street Pete, Captain in the house. Let's go. Who's coming with me? Wall Street Pete. Why? I plan on retiring pretty shortly. Why? Thank you, Jan. Thank you, Jan. Wall Street Pete's losing his mind. ADA Cardano is my way out of this craziness of poverty. And I'm sick of it. So if you like these videos, Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE in crypto, live, TA, Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE Crypto News. This is the channel that you choose. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe. Ethereum ADA Killer. Who's coming with me, Jan? Well, most active chains last 24 hours with 18.24 in Cardano is currently the second most active chain last 24 hours after BTC. Give me some love. Let's go. So this is why you hit the like. This is why you hit the subscribe button. We come to you and imagine, hey, Grandpa, if you're fortunate enough like me to have a grandpa, knock on wood, very beautiful genes. I love my family very much. Grandpa, would you like to go see the Lakers? Maybe play somebody somebody cool, you know? And then we're going to the Staples Center. We're going to the Staples Center, Wall Street, so you better relax yourself. No, Gramps. We're going to Crypto.com Arena. What? We're going to Crypto.com Arena, Gramps. Get your fucking hearing aid put in, dude. We're going to Crypto.com Arena. What is crypto? And then here comes the start of the conversation. Bullish as AF. Wall Street Pete, I can't talk to you anymore about how bullish crypto's going. Imagine the people who don't understand what it is. You better start paying attention and stop selling. 2.59 crypto total market cap. And yes, Safe Moon is starting to pump a little bit with the rest of the market. Exciting. I always have it up there on purpose. Back to 2.63. We're starting to do something that was last night. And we're talking about a lot of things right now. Not just the old grandpa, right? Grandpa, I got a popsicle. Right, as he said, I got a popsicle inside my pocket. Want to come and get it? I know it was a really bad imitation, but remember that guy? I feel like Grandpa, he's going to learn a few tricks, and it's not going to be a perfect, right? I think Family Guy, that's what he is. So here we are. Talking about Family Guy, right? Talking about CRO. And I meant to put in the title. We're going to fix it. ADA and CRO. We're going to talk a little bit about it today. Why Crow is getting this significant, nice pull-up. If you do pay attention, definitely to mention, Crow is starting to get a nice buy the rumor, sell the news. As we already know, I don't know if you understand, but we didn't really get into detail with that. Reports Staples Center to be renamed Crypto.com. Well, that's CRO, short for the asset of Crypto.com. $700 million deal in 20 years. So you got a 20-year automatic. Crypto's not going nowhere. So if you thought, good morning, Emerald, if you thought crypto was on its way somewhere, you have been mistaken. Abe Lincoln. So here we are right now. What are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about Crow. We're going to talk about Cardano. Magician beats in the streets. Driving Wall Street Pete. Crazy. So we're going to get a pullback here. What's going on? I got my fam in the house. I got my wolves in the house. It's nice. And he can't go to bed because why? Crypto's got his sleep fucked up. Excuse my French. This is where we talk bad times. Bad mouth. But listen. This is what crypto is going to do to you. If I had to stop, right? What did I tell him? If I had an hour of sleep back every time that happened to me, I'd be sleeping beauty. So here we are looking at this right now, currently getting a retracement falling down. Good chance you touch the 23.6. Not much of an indicator, just a falling. I do expect right here, boom, Crow, if you just got into it and you're wondering what's happening. Right now, Crow is doing that. There we go. I had it set up already. I thought I did. 50 cents seems to be a resistance level coming right now, and it happens. Oh, Heidi! Whoa! Whoa, in the house. Everything is making a big W, and we're in the middle of. We're going to see some bearish months. Well, guess what? We're going to be talking about this channel. We're going to talk about my exit strategy, and we're going to be exit. Hey, boo-boo. How about a picnic basket, boo-boo?
Hey, Yogi, I don't think the Ranger's going to like that very much.
Remember, Yogi? Yeah, exit stage left. We're going to be doing an exit stage left out of the crypto market in 2022. Right before the new year comes, we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about how you're going to be able to put money in USD. Ooh, and I smacked myself pretty good. You're going to be able to get out of this USD money, put in a stable coin, relax, have a wonderful Christmas, have a wonderful New Year, while a lot of the new people coming into 2022, the new year, they're going to go, we're going to invest in crypto in 2022. Yeah, it's still early, but imagine where we're going to be in the next 60 days, perhaps even a little further. So, Heidi, it's really nice to see you again. Please stop being a stranger and come back in this chat. We're going to change the title, CRO, Crow. And what is Crow doing? Well, like I said, getting a little bit of a pullback here. Perhaps we do see only the 47.2, and then if you do see a big pump after that, then you already know this is the hourly on TradingView. Go to the 4-hourly, and maybe it'll come into play a little bit differently. On the 4-hourly time, I believe that this red candle will just turn green, of course. What am I talking about? I'm talking about how it's going to turn completely green, and if I see where it's at right now and where it's been going, resistance level was there, so that all does come into play correctly. 38.2, 45 and a half cents on the 4-hourly. So within the 4-hourly, I'm not sure if it's coming now, maybe later. We'll see what happens. We do know we have strong resistance on Crow at 51, almost 52 cents there. So do pay attention to that level, as that is going to tell you something right there that's kind of important, some type of resistance. So maybe we do keep pumping it. Well, we did. I'm sorry. I'm blind. This is bad, I guess. We did hit the 52 cent, and there it is, resistance right away. So pay attention to that, as that was November 14th and 15th, 2 days ago. We'll be looking to keep knocking until we actually break a candle above and through, and then you'll know, buy the rumor, sell the news. Stop being a stranger. You know what? Crypto has robbed so much of my time, Heidi, and I do, with all due respect, I understand what you just said, so I do. But please hop in once in a while, even throw a comment in there. Hey, we're here. Just know you're alive, you're ticking. I do have a couple people that I thought fell off the face of the earth, so it's really nice seeing you, and that's all that meant. We have a wonderful crypto family, and here we are, Ethereum, but I'm not going over that now. We're going to go over Cardano. And what's Cardano doing? Well, it's going to be buy the rumor, sell the news type stuff, too. And if you see here last night, we talked about this. This was before we even saw any of this, right? I said pay attention, definitely to mention. We may come right back up. I got to get rid of this. This is driving me bananas. 1 second. Why are we having such a problem with that? Okay, I'm trying to show you the potential gains. That was in one of my last videos, so do, if you like that, pay attention to that. But right now, currently, we are turning into the inverted head and shoulders pattern. Maybe 176 will take us through, but what's happening is all this bullish momentum, all this news, all this triggering stuff is really starting to happen. Let's see if we get the dead cat bounce coming through. This is the 4-hourly, the 1-hourly. Obviously, it's doing everything. And like Heidi said, I love Heidi and missed her because her wonderful talk, her wonderful insight of the market. Everything's forming a half a W, as she said. And if you do realize, this is kind of the stuff that's going to happen. And a lot of people, as we're chatting away, I know you get a little bored here. But pay attention, definitely, to mention here. This is very, very important. That's the stuff I'm talking about. If you do look at this down, this is Cardano. This is the hourly. So almost exactly as I predicted, right? If you'd noticed before these last 2 hours, I put a little line here saying, do watch this line, do watch this price. And if you watch the video from last night, you'll see we were somewhere around here, I think. 185, 180. I said, right down here, inverted head and shoulders pattern, pay attention. And I drew a little line here. And that's what I did last night. So it's timestamped for you. We don't make this stuff up. We don't add this in there. We're real as steel. Wall Street peak, 181. We came down a little below, FOMO'd out. And if that's the problem, stop selling. Stop selling. Just hodl. Hold. If more people hodled, if more people held, the whales would have a hard time getting back in. But yet you trade on emotion, you get upset, and there you are making mistakes. So do pay attention to the levels I talk about. Perhaps we do see something similar to the 186 again. Come all the way down to this elbow. As I said, it's going to be playing games, emotions, 186. And then before you know it, what are we doing? Well, this is something we called an upward W in the crypto world. Pay attention, definitely to mention on the downward M patterns, right? As we talk, well, pay attention to the upward W's. Big crypto news, buy the rumor, sell the news. Right now, the rumor is everything has gone mad. We talked a little bit. I didn't know Pompiliano. I'm sorry. I don't follow these guys. It's confliction with my TA. I cannot watch and follow them, BitBoy Crypto included. He is a tool to me. I can't stand him. I liked him at one point. I'm not going to lie. But now I can't stand him. And this guy, I really don't care for either. Apparently, he's a jerk as well. I mean, I don't want to call names, but apparently, these guys are freaking out over nothing. But we're going to get over there, back to a little bit of TA, talk to you about what's happening. And if you do understand, we need a 4-hourly candle above the 196. So if we could possibly, on the hourly, which we're on, let's see, there it is. If you want to know what's going to happen with Cardano, where are we going? Why am I going to be so excited about this? ICP is doing amazing. ICP, $58 was buying the dip. I sold out, thank the Lord, because we already know what happened to it. But I see people come back just like the rest of the market. You have to understand there's a lot of potential in all of these tokens. Why we're talking about Cardano? Well, if you pay attention to Cardano, and I really want you to understand where I'm getting at, do you see what Cardano's doing? Is everybody blind? I just don't understand. Watch the daily, and then watch my candles, and what are we doing? This is a joke, okay? That's a joke. I want you to understand that this price for Cardano is a joke. The development in Cardano, it's a joke. One more couple things. I made a mistake. This is a big video right here coming up. A lot of you don't have money, right? A lot of people do not have money. A lot of people cannot invest into the crypto market. Well, I want to talk to you about this before we get into that chart. You can now. A lot of you have Pi, right? A lot of you see my Pi. And if you did see my Pi, I'm trying to remember what the username, not Wall Street, here it is. If you have Pi Network and you know it's PD Guns, capital P, capital G, put that in for Pi, right? We're mining Pi like maniacs, right? When it comes out in the wallet, we're going to be excited. It's free. Hit the button every day. You mine, you get it. Well, guess what? This is a video game. The second ever mining cryptocurrency. I've been mining for a while. I'm sorry. Don't get mad at me. I've been doing this for a long time. I didn't tell nobody. I really kept it kind of a secret. It's been kind of on the DL. But now we're telling everybody. So please, invite code is BMoney27. Put it into your B. You'll get extra B. Same kind of thing. New growth. Free. It's free. You put it on your cell phone and you just start collecting. Now, what do we talk about in this atmosphere that is blowing the up? Well, it's video gaming tokens. So if you can get the first mining app on your cell phone, comes out in 2024, okay? This comes out in 2024. I think it's in the first stage. So you're actually getting in Pi when it's in the third stage. It takes 3 stages for a cryptocurrency, right? It takes 3 stages for a crypto coin to get into the crypto wallet, Coinbase wallet. 3 stages. This is in the first or second stage right now. Hurry the F up. Put the code in, B Money, get in on my team, collect B for free every day, hit the button, just like Pi. Okay? We're getting in Pi on the 3rd stage. A lot of you got in on the late stage. Well, this is the early stage. So if you want to keep mining for a couple of years and then buy something crazy with it, and don't believe me just once. Bum, 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 bum. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. We teach you how to make money for free. We teach you how to keep it real. We teach you a lot. We teach you everything we can know. And yes, there's another way right here real quick. I just want some people to understand. You're entered for a chance to win. You're in the running up for $250,000 in USDC. If you've not done this on Coinbase, this is why Coinbase is starting to rally. This is why Coinbase is starting to turn heads. Crypto, things of this atmosphere, things of these options. If you're not taking advantage of it, you're screwing up. You'll be told you're the winner announced by email. If I get one of these, we will mother effing talk about it. I don't see why not. I already won the last one. I won the last one. It gave me 400 free USD dollars or something like that. I got excited. We announced it. So pay attention, definitely to mention. Ethereum has now got this band, hopefully turning. We want to talk about Cardano as we jumped off the deep end to talk about the first mining gaming token is very important. Back to the daily now. As you see, $1.96 is a big deal. If you see the last 2 dailies that we were stuck on resistance was 277. Holy cow, what's going to happen? Well, I'll be willing to bet your ass. 277, it'll be the first huge, massive resistance, 278, 277, as we are going to get it. Do pay attention if we break through this price and it starts going bananas. Well, Cardano is going to finally say, well, goodbye, chai, and enjoy. As we talk about, I get so excited, I can't help it. But we talked most active chains last 24 hours. 18.24 in Cardano is currently the second most active chain in the last 24 hours. Then they also talked about what? We got excited again, and we started freaking. And I don't even know if I showed the stupid thing. Wow. Didn't even show it. So we have yet to even show it. Shame on me. Another article. Let's put it in right now. Why not? I can't take no more. I can't believe I didn't do it. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen. But there's an article here. Data finds institutional investors are choosing Cardano and Ethereum over Bitcoin. I mean, it's just getting crazier and crazier. So if you don't understand what's happening right now, and you don't understand when you take dad or you take grandpa or you take your friend that's just sleeping under a rock to a game, and they say, we're going to the crypto.com arena, you're going to go, what? You're going to go, what? What are you talking about? And it's going to hurt. It's going to hurt big time because a lot of people don't understand what's going on right now. A lot of people are learning about the crypto market, never mind what crypto is. So do pay attention to that. We're at the home screen. Here it is. And here's the article. If you are wondering, data finds institutional investors are choosing Cardano and Ethereum over Bitcoin. CoinShares data reveals a spike of inflows towards Cardano and Ethereum as compared to Bitcoin, whose price have taken a sudden plunge on Tuesday, November 17th, 11 a.m. 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So pay attention. This is where we get crypto news. This is the channel that you choose. And if you hit the alarm clock snooze, then you're probably in a lot of trouble. Because I'll tell you right now, these days of falling, this consolidation, these big wicks down in the momentum that is now starting to stop. Pay attention, definitely to mention. So let me tell you right now, when this is done, and this seems to be the last day fall, when I explain to you, when we start coming in, well, this is the monthly, I'm sorry. When I start showing you, we're going to go to the daily. Let's do that. That looks a little better. Now understand where we were on the months. And this is Cardano on TradingView. So if you're interested in what you're looking at, daily, on TradingView and what has been happening on the big picture of Cardano. Well, the big picture of Cardano was one of these bearish divergence looking kind of thing, falling wedge. Little do you know, hit the like and subscribe because this is a very bullish momentum. And if I showed you here, well, I made a mistake because right here on the daily is a little bigger. So if I were to show you and clone you, as we can clone anything in this world now, right? We're cloning everything. If you lose your PP, we might be able to clone that. We're living in a crazy world and crazy times. And we're going to adjust this on to the daily. Why? Because that's exactly what's happening. And we're going to be screaming exactly as I predicted. I'm going to sound like a jerk. $4 Cardano is mother effing information coming. I like it. I see a confirmation coming. 277. Do break that at the Cardano price. You're going to be screaming twice as nice. I know a lot of people are holding. I know a lot of people took their ass kicked. A lot of people bought when I said Cardano's doing great. And what did we buy at? A lot of us bought at 202. I do remember a lot of us talking about it, how awesome the price was, how great it was. Well, if you're one of those people right now and you happen to hold Cardano and you didn't sell on emotion, congratulations. Because you know what's going to happen next? We're going to party. And I'm going to tell you right now, this is not financial advice, but this is a strategy of mine that I use. And I do hope that you do your own research. Check it out. If you pay attention to the price, $1.88 is not far. Basically, from this, we can get a quick 14 cents pull up, and then you'll be back in action where you started. And then before you know, we're going to be up so many crazy prices, crazy areas. You're not going to know what to do with yourself. The FOMO is going to be real. The TA is going to be destroyed. What's going to happen is people are going to FOMO in. We're going to create new highs, and you're going to have new buys. Even you're going to jump in. You're not even going to have enough Cardano, and you're going to go, holy shiznick, I don't have enough. I need more. It's going to be at 277. You're going to remember that's probably a good buying price when it comes down and consolidates a little for resistance. And then you're going to notice, man, it's going to be at $4. By the time you know, we're going to be at $10 Cardano. I'm not sure if it's going to be this year. I believe we're going to come into spring. Do believe that we're going to come into spring looking at that price. Do believe I do say that. That is my prediction. Not 2021, but 2022. I do have a strong belief that we are going to be there. Where do I think we'll be on the price prediction for Cardano for the Christmas price? There could be a possible pull-up all the way to here. Do pay attention. I do believe that we could get a quick tail up and then obviously somewhere in the meat, hang around here. Who the hell knows, right? Before you know it, maybe we see something like that. I'm no poet, but do understand this is where we do crazy talk. We are on fire with our TA lately, so please watch the previous videos. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and if you'd like to follow us on Instagram, I do strongly suggest wallst.pete. Please check us out on Instagram as we are very active. I can't always go live for you, but guess what? I can always put a chart up. I can always do something. You can always contact through the chats, right? Cardano right there. We had to get Cardano back in action and hanging because guess what? Put him on a pedestal. We always talk about the three major assets in crypto before we go. Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin. Talk about Bitcoin, right? Number one, that's daddy. We always talk about daddy, right? And number two. Hey, God. Number two is Ethereum. We always talk about mommy, right? Okay. Now, number three, Cardano. Well, guess what? It reminds me of coming to America. www.worksessions.com. Please check us out. This is Greg Street. Talk about having a good day, right? This is the Wall Street Pete Show, SICKDOE in crypto. Gonna have a good day. Yeah. You know what I'm gonna turn today. So hit that like, subscribe, baby. Hit the like, subscribe, we're going on a ride. And if you didn't know, you're trading with emotion. You want to be a big fat fish in the ocean. I'm trying to be a whale and then I exhale. And I don't really care what you fail, but I'm feeling good. And I wish you would get some about the dick. And then I have a sip. And then I buy the dick. And then maybe a rip. I don't know, but I feel like Skip. I'm wearing this hat and then I take it off. And then I'm talking about going to the moon. We're going to the moon. We're going soon. SICKDOE in crypto. 8 a.m., 8 p.m. Eastern Time, New York. We have live videos for you. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. We're going on a ride. Baby, get your surfboard. We're going to the tide. We're going to learn how to be a big whale and stop being a little fish in the ocean, making these stupid trades. Stop selling on the green, right? No. Get it? Buy the green. The problem is you know what to do. You know to buy the green candle, right? You know to buy it, right? Oh, we keep saying the wrong thing? It's green, Donna. It's green. I'm retarded. Nah, say it back. Stop trading on emotion. This is what you sound like. This is what you look like. Buy the red candle. Sell the green one. Now we're talking. Now we sound good. Now we sound like we're watching the Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE in crypto. Dollar cost average into the market. Dollar cost average out of the market. If you put all your eggs in one basket, if you put all your eggs out in one basket, you're going to be miserable. You're going to make a mistake. If you know nothing about trading, learn about dollar cost averaging. If you can learn dollar cost averaging, you can learn how to trade on the NYMEX. You can learn how to trade stocks. You can learn how to trade anything. All right? So pay attention, definitely to mention. This is the Wall Street Pete Show. Woo! Yeah. Have a good day. I'm out of here like Vladimir. We're going to keep it forward one day. We're going in the streets, making sandwiches. We're going to take care of other people. And guess what? They're going to have a good day. Yeah. Hit the like, subscribe.